Hello. In this video on OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect, we'll demonstrate how to implement a private signing key for your JSON Web Token and a few additional customizations in the OpenID Connect policy configurations for JSON Web Keyset endpoints and other OpenID Connect customizations provided through using the Layer 7 OAuth Toolkit. In previous videos, we looked at the basic OpenID Connect implementation, including importing certificates and running the test client. In this video, we take a look at how to configure and customize the generation and validation of an ID token, including changing the private signing key or changing the signing algorithm. We'll start by opening up the OAuth Toolkit online documentation at TechDocs and peruse down to OpenID Connect implementation. To get started customizing the private signing key, we select dedicated private key for signing JSON Web Tokens. The steps we're going to walk through today will be create the private signing key, customize a few policies using the Policy Manager to enable the new KID and signing key for both issuance and validation of our JSON Web Tokens. To see this, open up your Policy Manager to get started. Under OTK Customizations, we'll see our ID token directory and our JSON Web Keyset endpoint directory. These two will be our working directories to get started. But first, we have to create a new private signing key or import an existing private key into the gateway. Under Certificates Manage Private Keys, we'll create a new JWT signer for this purpose. Now that we have our new certificate private key, we can configure that in our JWKS endpoint here. I'd like to edit this. We can select our new JWT signer and provide a unique KID for use later in policy configuration. Save and activate. Next, under ID token, we'll look at the signing algorithm to be used. We can set it to HS256 or RS256. For use with private signing key, we'll use RS256. We'll edit our KID. Instead of the previous default key, we'll use our JWT signer. Save and activate. And under ID token validation, we'll encode JSON Web Token should be switched to utilize the new JWT signer. Select JWT signer here. Save and activate for the signing algorithm. And for the validation, we simply select the appropriate key here. And that's it. Now we save and activate, and we should have a newly enabled private key dedicated for JWT signing. To test, let's open up our test client and peruse to the basic client profile capability. Submit a sample request using a previously configured user. And we can see our new ID token is generated here. And if we take a copy of it and inspect it, we should see that the new KID is being utilized. We can go to jwt.io to do a quick validation on our new token. Here we can see the new KID has been issued under RS-256, and we see the signature is verified. We hope that this video series on OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect using Layer 7 OAuth Toolkit has been helpful. Thank you very much. Bye.